Welcome to Sky Online Academy. Today I am here to teach you Nasruddin's aim. Let me start. The name of the story is Nasruddin's aim. Aim means target. The meaning of the word aim is target. One day Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. New word, chatting. It means talking friendly with others. One fine day, Nasruddin was talking friendly with his friends. So, look at the picture. If you observe the picture, you will come to know the characters in the story. Who are the characters? Nasruddin and his friends. So, Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. He began to boast. What is the meaning of the word boast? Boast means talking excessive pride about oneself. While having a chat, he started to speak something pride about himself. Let us see what did he speak about. No one can match my skill in archery. What did he boast? He told that no one can play the archery well than me. Me refers to Nasruddin. I string the bow, take aim and shoot the arrow. He says how he used to play the archery. I string the bow. I pull the bow, take aim. That means what? I will look at the target and shoot the arrow. Then I will hit the target with the help of the arrow. Whoosh. Whoosh refers to the sound of the arrow while moving on the air. The arrow is sure to hit right on target. What did he say? He says that his aim won't miss. Hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. After hearing the boast of Nasruddin, one of Nasruddin's friend has brought a bow and some arrows. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows." The bow and some arrows were handed to Nasruddin by one of his friends. Then, pointing towards a target, he said, "Aim at the target and shoot an arrow." Then, Nasruddin's friend pointed his finger towards a target, also asked Nasruddin to shoot the arrow at the right target. Nasruddin held the bow in his hands, strung it, aimed at the target and shot an arrow. Ooh! The arrow didn't hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. Nasruddin held the bow, pulled it, aimed at the target and shot an arrow. Unfortunately, the arrow did not hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. Ha 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 ha. His friends started laughing. They said, "Hey Nasruddin, is this your best aim?" Looking at Nasruddin's failure, everybody started to laugh out aloud. Also, one of his friends asked Nasruddin as, was this his best aim? "Oh no, not at all," said Nasruddin, defending himself. "This wasn't my aim. It was Azad's aim. I just showed you how Azad shoots an arrow." Nasruddin did not accept his failure. Instead, he told them that it was not my aim. It was Azad's aim. I just showcased you how Azad used to play archery. Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again, He strung the bow, aimed at the target, and shot the arrow. This time the arrow fell a little further away from where it had fallen before. After telling a reason to his friends, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Again, he aimed at the target and shot the arrow. This time, that is for the second time, again the arrow did not hit the target, but there was an improvement. What is that improvement? This time the arrow has fallen very nearer to the target, but it certainly didn't hit the target. Yet the target wasn't reached by Nasruddin even for the second time. They asked Nasruddin, "And this must be how you shoot an arrow?" "Of course not," argued Nasruddin. "Even this aim was not mine. It was the chief guard's aim." One of his friends told Nasruddin that this must be your style of playing the archery. Even now, Nasruddin did not accept his failure. Instead, he started to argue. Furthermore, he told a reason for his failure. What was the reason? He told that it was not his aim, instead, it was the aim of chief guard. Now somebody remarked, "Well, now who is next on the list?" One of his friends commented Nasruddin and asked him whom you are going to tell next after your failure. Hearing this, all the friends burst out laughing. Hearing the comment of Nasruddin's friend, everybody started to laugh. Nasruddin didn't say a word. Nasruddin did not speak at all. He quietly picked up one more arrow. Instead, he silently bent down and picked up an arrow. And again. And this time, Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit right on the target. And for the third time, Nasruddin tried. Nasruddin is fortunate. Why is he lucky? Why is he fortunate? Because the arrow hit right on the target. Everybody stared at Nasruddin, their mouths agape in amazement. Before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said triumphantly, "Did you see that? It was my aim." Everybody was shocked because Nasruddin has hit the target. As a result, everyone was looking at Nasruddin with their mouths wide open. Before others comment or tease, Nasruddin started to say something. What did he say? He said, "Did you see that?" So Nasruddin said that this was his aim. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.